Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance lamp of your Audi A3 or S3 Sportback. It is important. You will need a special device for that because you cannot do this with onboard computer settings, etc. If you can see that the service light gives you information in your display in front of you, it's time to make a maintenance. If you did the maintenance done, then you can remove or reset your car back to a new mode that the maintenance lamp will be go off. For this we will need, in this case it's an ankle OBD-II scanner for VAG cars, and it's important to use an OBD scanner which contains a maintenance service reset for VAG, Audi, Skoda, Lamborghini, etc. cars, VW of course too. Then we can use that device for it. It is an ankle device, VA OBD-II EOBD scanner to do that with that car here. First step is we have to dock in the dongle into our OBD-II port. The port is at your clutch, in nearly the clutch. On the left side in front of you, you can see the OBD-II port. Now you push the dongle in position, and then the OBD-II scanner will be on. It will be enabled immediately. Switch the ignition to on. You do not have to start your engine. The ignition is enough. Now we go to OBD Diagnostics. In this case, we go to V/A Diagnostics because OBD-II Diagnostics is only for failure codes, etc. We will need V/A Diagnostics. Then we switch to service reset. Service reset is the same like maintenance reset, etc. Now we can choose that we are going to make a service reset. Then we can choose an oil reset or the entire reset. We choose make a standard maintenance reset. Push and wait a little bit. Now it's a little bit time which our device needs to reset that maintenance lamp. Then, of course, if you go and make an oil reset with that device, you can choose long time oil, short time, standard time, etc. But the maintenance thing, this is the main focus here, because the oil thing you can do with onboard diagnostic computer system in your Audi itself. For the oil, you will not need that device, but for the complete service reset, it is important to use that OBD-II scanner. So inspection or maintenance, now we are reset that, and then you can see on the screen while we are resetting the system, this is in progress, then it goes back to 730 days and to 29,000 kilometers. That's how to do that. Okay, first step, dock in the dongle of the ankle into your OBD-II slot. Then go to V/A Diagnostics. Go down to maintenance reset, service reset, and perform the service reset. That will cost you only 3 minutes, and your entire service or maintenance lamp will be switched off until the next service, of course. But you have to perform the service before you reset it, okay? This is important for your car. That's how to reset it, and how to do that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.